Hey sweeties, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Camaria, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to do boho distressed faux locks. So I'll start off with my hair braided. I just used some kinky twist hair that I had left over, and then this is spring twist hair that I got off Amazon. I will link it down below. I used some mousse, also used some gel, and then I just used some nail glue. You can get this from any store, any type, it doesn't matter. I prefer to use the clear. So I will start off showing you how to fluff out the spring twist hair. I did just use one piece for each lock, and I found that if you fluff out the hair all the way through, it helps with the wrapping process. It makes it much easier to wrap the hair as you're trying to form your lock. So I will just be showing you that, and then I will show you how to wrap the hair around your braid or your twist, whatever method you choose to use. I just like to use the braid method because it's much easier for me. I don't have to worry about having to go back and retwist or anything. So I did use kinky twist hair just to protect my hair while it is in this lock style. You don't necessarily have to use any other hair over your hair. You can use your own hair. It's just your preference. So now I'm taking one of the pieces of the braids, and now I'm gonna go ahead and attach that spring twist hair to the top of my braid, and then I will begin wrapping about 3 to 4 times at the root just to secure it, and then I will begin wrapping the hair. So the technique that I used was the thumb method. You basically just allow the spring twist hair to overlap over your thumb, and you hold on to that piece, and then you just keep wrapping over your thumb, and then you let that hair go. I hope that makes sense. So basically you take a piece of the spring twist hair, you overlap it over your thumb, press your thumb up, and then you let that piece go once you wrap again. You will do this all the way down the lock. You don't have to hold the lock too tight. You can hold it pretty loose, not too loose though, because you still want to make sure that while you're wrapping, everything is still tight and secure. So once I get to the end, I will apply nail glue just to seal the lock and to make sure that nothing unravels, and then I will roll it between my 2 fingers just to make sure it's secure again. And then I will show you this again one more time, just to show you the technique that I used. Then after that, I will show you the final results. So please make sure to watch this whole video. Let me know if you have any questions. Please comment below, and make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.